Come on, bring it back.
Ready?
Don't throw so far.
You ready?
Throw it over there.
Yeah, it tends to, they go so hard and fast. You can throw it into our grass if you want, like, throw it,
Right.
yeah, between the flower bed and the grass.
Oh. Latched onto it.
I love it. That is just so cute. Boy, they're loud.
Sparky was loud
He
too.
is loud. There's no barking if he has the toy, because he has it. Yeah, but if he doesn't have the toy, then he's on the bar. Hush, Riley.
I think somebody's at the door close by. Just spin.
He gets so excited.
God, you're making it very difficult for me.
And we have
Throw it over that way.